We are ready to start rolling. Since we have a gallon of product that covers 325 to 400 square feet, and that in this example we are only covering 60 square feet, we will only use 1/5 of the gallon. We need our tools, our measuring tool, our pourer, and our 4-inch roller to do the edges. It is very important to ensure that before you start rolling your product, close off any air movement. To roll it onto the floor, the first step is to spread it onto our roller. Approach the wall edges without dripping. We can do a 4-foot section with a full roller. We always do the cutting out with a small roller. This way, we avoid covering the sides of the walls. Ensure that the application is equal. Always start with the further rooms, going towards the exit. Lighting is important, so if possible, have the reflection of the light in front of you. Be careful not to touch the edges. If we drop some, wipe it up immediately so it does not adhere to the sealer. We see here the left-hand side surface. Continue where you are up to. Apply the urethane all the way to the corner, ensuring that it is all uniformly applied. It is important to measure the thickness with a Mills gauge on the wet surface. Start over in the other corner. Roll it over the entire floor. For the hard-to-reach places, use a small brush. Apply the product without touching the walls. To close up the room, apply a good amount of the product and roll it out. Now, to finish up, feather it out with your extended pole. For the finish, use a small roller. Use it to cover the small areas we might have missed or to do any final retouches. Our floor is now covered with the finish. To finish this video, let us show you the installation of our floor finish in a bigger room. The steps are the same. This floor has already been prepared and has been cleaned and sealed. Start by rolling the edges out, then the center going towards the door. Here are a few tips to ensure the best application. Ensuring we don't hear the sound of the roller when we apply means the quantity of product on our roller is good. Apply a sufficient amount of product, push it straight forward to cover your working space. Then, with your extended pole, feather it out to cover the preceding surface we covered, to have a nice, even finish. Don't forget you have a 10-minute time frame to work the finish before it starts drying. It will not be possible to do any corrections once the 10 minutes is up. Make sure you do it right the first time. And remember to always work in pairs. And most of all, don't forget to recycle all containers. Take our measure frequently. In general, rolling 5 mils on your floor is averagely good.